and welcome. In today's video, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you. As mentioned in my About Me video, this video series was created in part to fulfill my final engineering school requirements. The idea for this project started during my previous co-op terms. I felt that there was a lack of truly beginner-friendly information for students and junior engineers entering the engineering workplace, and I wanted to help change that. Over time, the goal expanded to including inspiring people who may feel nervous or intimidated by technical DIY projects, things like car maintenance or setting up a solar power system, but are really interested in learning. I wanted to create a safe place on YouTube where topics are explained clearly, beginners are welcomed, and questions are always encouraged. Before starting this project, I had never filmed or edited a video before. I was a complete beginner at that too, so thank you for allowing me to be a beginner here alongside you as well. I truly appreciate your patience and your support. Over the last 10 weeks or so, we've done so much together. As the summer is coming to a quick end, my time making these videos to fulfill my school requirement is wrapping up. I may have been doing the work behind the camera, but there'd be no point without all of you watching and learning alongside of me. I'm excited to see what comes next in this new phase of my life, and hope I've been able to help you build confidence, learn new skills, and feel encouraged to try things that may have seemed intimidating at first. I know I have. So please continue to watch the videos, leave comments if you feel. I would love to learn more about what my viewers are getting up to in these areas. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.